it's Lola. Today I am going to do a review on this skin scrubber that I bought from Amazon. I paid 35 something. It came in this white box and it has this instruction. So this definitely doesn't seem like it is manufactured in States. It seems like it's manufactured in China. Well, everything is from China nowadays, so I don't really mind. Other than the instruction, it has this scrubber and it has this cable. It's for charger. It's USB charger. I like the device that comes with the charger because the device that runs with this AA battery, that is kind of annoying for me because each time it goes out of battery, I need to go get the battery. It looks like this. It's the device that cleans your pores and scrub the dead skin off. So when you go to skincare spa, it's the very first thing they do on your skin before they apply all the treatments. I just got out from the shower. It needs some moist, so since it's been a couple minutes from I got out from the shower and I used the towel to pat all the waters out and my skin is dried, so I got this cotton pad fully damped and I'm going to use this like that. So let me try it. Not sure it. Oh my god. I'm not sure if I am supposed to show this and these are the dirts. Oh, it feels very refreshing. I guess this one works pretty well. So let me do just a simple skincare. Oh, wow. It feels really smooth. It feels super smooth. Oh my god, I need to do this often, I guess. Maybe not too often because it might make my skin too weak, but ooh, I like it. So 35 bucks. I guess it's a good buy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.